If you're a developer, you've probably heard of GitHub Copilot, but is it really the coding assistant you've been waiting for, or just another overhyped tool? Let's dive into what it really offers and whether it's worth your time and money. GitHub Copilot is designed to help developers write code faster by suggesting whole lines or blocks of code as you type. It integrates directly into popular code editors like Visual Studio Code, which is a plus for those already using that environment. Experience feels quite intuitive. As you type, Copilot learns from your coding style and the context of your project to provide relevant suggestions. However, while the concept is solid, there are some areas that might leave users wanting more clarity. For instance, it heavily relies on the context you provide, and sometimes its suggestions can be a bit off base or even introduce bugs if you're not careful. This tool is aimed at developers of all skill levels, but it seems to shine brightest for those who are already somewhat experienced and can discern which suggestions to trust. Overall, it has a lot of potential, but there are moments where it feels like it's still figuring things out. Let's talk about the strengths and weaknesses of GitHub Copilot. On the plus side, it can significantly speed up coding by providing instant suggestions, which can be a game changer during intense coding sessions. It's also great for learning, as you can see examples of how to implement various functions. On the downside, there are some frustrations. The accuracy of its suggestions can vary widely, and it sometimes generates code that doesn't quite fit the project's needs. Additionally, there are concerns about code quality and security since it's trained on public repositories. Pricing could also be a sticking point for some users, especially if you're a solo developer or part of a small team. Overall, while it's a powerful tool, it may not suit every developer, particularly those just starting out who might benefit more from hands-on learning. In conclusion, GitHub Copilot is a valuable tool for experienced developers looking to streamline their coding process, but it's not without its flaws. If you're someone who can sift through its suggestions with a critical eye, it's worth trying. However, beginners might want to explore other resources before diving in. Overall, it feels like a tool that's still evolving, much like the coding landscape itself.